Understanding, A Symphony of Voices. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that paints a vivid picture through words, a symphony of voices. It's a beautiful expression that you might come across in literature, speeches, or even in casual conversation. Let's embark on this journey together to uncover the depth and beauty behind this phrase. A symphony of voices refers to a rich, complex mixture of different voices or opinions that come together in a harmonious or impactful way. Just like a symphony in music combines various instruments to create a captivating piece, this phrase suggests a coming together of diverse vocal elements to produce a powerful or beautiful result. It's often used to describe situations where multiple people are speaking, singing, or contributing ideas, and the result is more profound because of that diversity. To truly appreciate a symphony of voices, it helps to understand the metaphor at its core. A symphony is a long piece of music performed by an orchestra, known for its complexity and the harmonious interplay of various musical instruments. By comparing a group of voices or opinions to a symphony, the expression highlights the beauty and strength found in diversity. Each voice, like each instrument in a symphony, brings its unique tone and texture to the ensemble, contributing to a richer, fuller sound. 1. Literature and poetry. Writers may use a symphony of voices to describe scenes where characters from different backgrounds come together, each adding their perspective to a narrative or dialogue. 2. Speeches and presentations. Speakers might refer to a symphony of voices when highlighting the importance of including diverse viewpoints in discussions to reach more comprehensive and impactful conclusions. 3. Everyday conversation. In a more casual context, someone might use the phrase to describe the lively, varied sound of a crowded place, like a marketplace or a concert, where many different conversations and sounds blend together harmoniously. Understanding and using expressions like a symphony of voices can enrich your communication, allowing you to convey complex ideas and emotions in a nuanced and vivid way. It's also a reminder of the value of diversity and collaboration, illustrating how bringing different voices together can create something truly beautiful and impactful. We hope this exploration of a symphony of voices has added a new layer of understanding to your English language journey. Such expressions not only enhance your vocabulary but also offer insight into the poetic and collaborative nature of human expression. Until next time, keep listening for the symphony in the voices around you, and may your own voice contribute to the beautiful music of dialogue and understanding. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.